lysine up by 0.5. That should balance the fiber load.
Confirmed. The metabolic curve is smoothing out.
Good girl, keep chewing. We'll lock these
Gentle
ratios for the
precision.
activity cycle.
Fresh milk rises through glass pipelines, its purity continually monitored. It flows to the filling line, glowing as it settles in glass.
Or that they believe that vaccinated. Suspended on their own transport frames, the bioengineered goats glide into the facility in perfect rhythm. Blue scanners come
This
every
advanced livestock biotech facility, every detail is designed around the comfort and health of the animals. Robotic arms position each goat with gentle precision.
Surface elasticity is holding at 92%. The fiber map's flawless.
Good. Run another moisture sweep after feeding. I want the density curve stable before we pull samples.
Copy. Sensor rate.
pH strip's moving to green. Looks like we're settling right at 7.
Fiber integrity graph is holding at 96%. Hydration curve stable.
Perfect. Push the neutralizer another 2 milliliters. Let's lock this.
Edge coming off clean. Knuckle knot ahead, watch for spark. Trim thickness 0.4, 1 millimeters. Perfect.
Good, grain's opening up nicely. We'll lock it here.
Watch the steam.
Got it. Pulling.
Coming your way.
Last one.
Set it down easy.
Pressure's holding at 86. Moisture's dropping quick.
Copy. Looks like 44% now.
Tension smooths the hide, opening every wrinkle and letting the fibers breathe. Precision clamps and the rhythm of the machine guide the pull while our hands feel for the balance between stretch and strain.
Fibers are aligning perfectly.
Edge feels even. Moisture's holding steady.
Lock it there. That's premium.
Sliding it in.
Hooks under, go ahead.
Drop it.
Solution's pouring. Levels look good.
Comes at 10 revs. Let it take.